Hello! Today we're going to put together a patio swing for this space. I've been missing my swing since we sold our house, and now we're going to put this together. And it's going to hang right here. Step one, put A and B, so the back and the seat. Place A and B as shown. You've done that. Check. Do not tighten the screws, just screw in a few turns of wire thread as we start doing this. You're going to need number 1. Assemble B and A using screw number 1. Shows it putting it up on its side because if you put it on a flat floor, screws may not be able to be screwed in. So we got to do this. And you got to screw them, actually, yeah, from that side.
Which way do you go?
From the inside.
And don't tighten them, right?
Don't tighten them, just go a little ways in. And let's see, now go to another one. It says just screw in a few turns. That's it. So.
Well, I did more. So.
All right, now put one of the sides on. Adjust the angle of B to align to the screw holes. Number 2 times 3. And again, don't tighten screws completely until assembly is complete.
Right, I get that.
But
it just feels like you don't get them in a little bit.
This one, I think, does allow for it to go in a little more. This might not be the right one. I think we need the other arm. Yep. Trays for drinks.
The hook has to be up.
Yeah, you're right. These ones can go in a little further.
Does it say where they're gonna go? Like where is this? There's 4 here, so you should...
3 number 2 on the bottom, 1 number 1 screw on the top, or number 3 on the top, one of them. And now we flip it over and do the same thing on.
Supposed to tighten them all the way, right?
Right. And flip it towards me.
Sure, because that's the opposite of how I was going to do it. So I go down.
So I gotta bring this up to line it up. It's not. There we go. Okay. Step 7. Tighten all screws completely. I also had to purchase, besides the bench for hanging, 2 suspension springs, and I also purchased 2 hanging clips. So we're gonna put these up on the beams, and it will allow swing to swing nicely without any squeaks. And it has nice strong bolts to put it in. So that's what we're going to do now, is place these.
It's going to span about 4 of these.
4. I wonder if we do here then.
So technically 5.
That's 5.
It spans
okay.
4. But
okay. Gotcha now.
It's
gotcha.
4 spaces.
4 spaces. Yep. Centered above the bench. So we want to be kind of where we're sitting. So then that means it will come to about here. That's probably fine, right? 24 inches. So if we started,
but then you won't be able to rock.
Right. If we started there, then it's going to come out to here. That's enough room to walk by, right?
So the hanging point is in the middle of those.
So the hanging point is right.
What number is that?
36
that's what I was going
inches out from the. one of these for each of the. And it comes with bolts that are supposed to hold a lot of weight. Drill them out. Clay pre-drilled the holes first, and now he's putting the live bolts in. Right, now that's it assembled and hanging part is up for swinging. Time to hang it up. These cool little springs. I'm gonna go next. For hanging. Can you reach without? Ah, look at you. You're so tall. And then now we need to put on the chain. So step 8. It says for the chains, the nut safety buckles must be locked. So I think each of those go on each of these places. The one with the circle part shows at the back. So this part goes at the back. And then this part goes at the front.
So do I hook it?
Yeah.
And do you think these black things go in there? Pushing those things? Where they
Goes
go?
right there.
That keeps it from being squeaky.
Yeah. So where do you put it? Right underneath?
Hooks. I think it's hit or miss. I remember helping Chris with his.
Okay.
You have to kind of just find your pivot point because it's not all going to be the same.
Right.
The back, we know the back isn't going to change.
We probably have to count up how many chain lengths. Do the same on both. Do the same on both sides.
There's a hook goes
yeah, it does.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't want it. You don't just hook it over there. Just gonna take a guess.
Okay.
Let's just see.
Do you have the second one?
This many. Probably should hook it on there before you lift it up.
Well, I thought we were going to check it and see how it looks, and then we can adjust.
That's how we might want both. Because we can only see once we do them both. So do you have the hook?
I mean, I feel like that's too high. Yes, but it.
Okay, we can fix it though. So let's fix yours.
Okay.
Make yours lower.
I think we want it more like right here.
These things are not standing. Did we fix this one yet?
Still pretty tilted, but I might actually need to do that.
Did we fix this one or is it still
No,
low?
that one's still low. You want to count? You want me to count? 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, and it's on the 39th.
36 and 36.
Okay. So it needs to be on the 39th.
So it's coming right. And that maybe a little bit more.
I do like the spring. It gives it a little bounce. And then when we have a beverage with us, oh yeah, right there. Clips it to that. And that one clips there. There, we get a little beverage tray. And now we put on the cushions. Who doesn't love a good swing? Do you like to swing? I love to swing. These were air vac right in. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.